The Meghalaya SSA Schools Association held a press conference in Shillong on the 22nd of October to inform the public of the next phase of agitational programs to insist on the government's response to their three-point demand for teachers across the state of Meghalaya. The president of the association, Aristotle Rimbai, said that the adamant attitude of the government towards the demands of the SSA teachers of the state had prompted members to go into the third phase of agitational programs in Shillong. It may be reminded that the three-point demand of the SSA teachers included the creation of posts and shifting of all 12,541 teachers from State Implementation Society to the State Education Department on a regular basis as per provisions of the SSA RTE norms 2009. The implementation of pay structure and enhancement of salary to all SSA teachers, and the release of pending salaries from June to September 2021. Rimbai added that the association would be holding a protest rally in Shillong on 9th November 2021.
Today we from the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, after we have done the first and second phase protest, that is the first protest we have done on the 14th September this year, and the second phase protest we have done it on the 11th and 12th October this year, regarding the adamant of the state government to fulfill our three demands. Number one, which include for creation of posts and shifting of all the 12,541 SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of SSA RTE norms 2009. Number two, to implement pay structure and to enhance the salary of all the 12,541 SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. And number three, to release the 4 months pending salary, that is for the month of June, July, August and September. So today, after there is no response from the state government, we have called a General Executive Committee of the central body, and we have taken a decision to move or to proceed ahead with the third phase agitation. That is a mass rally on 9th of November in Shillong. Order Association of SSA teachers to join hands and cooperate with us, especially for this third phase protest. And regarding this matter, to know the fact where is the gap, okay, that there's the delay to release the fund from the Ministry of Education, Government of India. On 6th of October, we have filed an RTI to the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and we hope that within few days we will receive a reply regarding this. And when we receive the reply, we will let you know what is the reply we get from the Ministry of Education, Government of India.